Everybody, today I said I'd make a part 2 to the Hello Neighbor. I got to the basement. Well, I didn't get to the basement yet, but I got the red key to unlock the basement in last video of Hello Neighbor. Yeah, I know in my first video of Hello Neighbor, I just got the red key, went to the basement, and never made a second part. It's because I was a newbie back then. And I did. So yeah, whatever. Okay, so continue. Okay. Oh yeah, since I never got caught or anything, I never got to see this cutscene. So the game right now is putting me at this. Elevator crashed. His wife's gone. Mr. Neighbor crash. Okay, so I see this guy's right here. It's the red key. I do not want him to see me. Is he in the bathroom? He's not in the kitchen. I think he might be in the bathroom. And I do not want to find out. Okay. To the basement! Okay. In the basement. If you guys get to hear, what you need to do is just open this. You're here. Grab one of these soda cans. Break a window. Pick up this fake screen. Put it somewhere. Yeah, that works. I'll put the other fake screen over here too. Turn the fake screens inside of here. Why not? Okay, so now this is all clear. If you guys want to know, the neighbor is down here. The power has to be on. Keep it on. You basically have to. That's locked. Because there's chairs in the doors or whatever. So basically, what you have to do is get all these doors unlocked. Remove the chairs. See how all these doors have chairs on them and crap? Now they need to be open. So. There's probably, I'm pretty sure there's more doors. Okay. I'm gonna call this Mannequin Man. I call this Mannequin Man. Right here. Alright, now move this chair here. You guys see this, and yeah. Alright. Put that right there in the corner. Alright, you guys might see this. Yep, you wanna get one brick? Chuck it at that wall. Or you can just get from. Alright, so you guys see this. Now you guys removed all of the doors and everything. You have everything unlocked. Once you're certain you have all the doors unlocked, then it's your time to shine. And I know what the flashlight is. I've beat this before. Okay. It's flashlight then, so now it's easier. Flashlight's just right there. Okay. So now I have to loop around back here. Right, hold on everybody, actually. It's another flashlight here. I need to make sure it's away from me, so alright, this is my way over here. Where the hell did I go? Okay, so now, I go this way. I go this way. Yep. You see, you need to make sure you have all these doors unlocked. Okay. See, I still have a little bit of unlocking to do. The neighbor almost just got me, bro. That's what I call a close call. Neighbor usually hangs around. Hopefully he has an omen here. Pretty sure he knows. He doesn't know. Okay. I think he's suspicious. Okay. I hear him breathing. And I hear footsteps. I hear him. It's like so scary almost. It's like you can't see where he is or what he's doing. If I hold A, it makes me this way and D goes that way. Should I send? Three, two, one. Okay, where is he? He's right over there, I'm pretty sure. No, I'm trapped in this little. Damn, I was gonna lock him in. Okay, I'm like trapped. I'm gonna go for it. See right there, he's working out. I think he's so cool. But he's really not. Alright. I think I got this, guys. So it's harder because I don't have my flashlight, but that's alright. Alright, yeah, I forgot. Okay, so it should be this way. Yeah. Where am I? Oh no, I don't want to be over here. That was close, bro. Okay, okay, what do I do here? Lion, be smart. I'm scared, bro. I'm like shaking. As soon as he comes out and then goes back in. That's a mystery. Come on, neighbor. Neighbor stupid, he's a stupid dummy. So you gotta go investigate? Makes sense, this isn't Granny. Okay. There he is. Okay. Damn it. Okay guys, I think I'm in a pickle. Am I in a pickle? Hopefully I'm not. He turned the electricity back on. My god. This idiot. Great. So I'm gonna trick a freaking brick at his head. The hell is he? Damn it. Also on the mannequins, it wasn't Manny. The mannequin. What am I saying?